Hi. Welcome to Infinite Wealth YouTube channel. It's a place where you will find financial and investment tips for your financial freedom. This video is produced completely by AI and you should study your own before making any investment decisions. In today's video, we'll guide you on the topics of financial literacy to understand how you can manage and budget your income. First, let's understand the term financial literacy. Financial literacy is the ability to understand and manage one's personal finances. It includes the ability to budget, save, invest, and make wise financial decisions. Financial literacy is important for everyone, regardless of their income or financial situation. There are many benefits to being financially literate. Financially literate people are more likely to save money, invest for the future, avoid debt, make wise financial decisions, achieve their financial goals. There are many things you can do to improve your financial literacy. Here are a few tips. Learn about personal finance. There are many resources available to help you learn about personal finance. You can read books, articles, and blogs. You can also take online courses or attend workshops. Create a budget. A budget is a plan for how you will spend your money. It can help you track your spending, save money, and avoid debt. Set financial goals. What do you want to achieve with your money? Do you want to save for a down payment on a house? Do you want to retire early? Once you know what you want to achieve, you can start making a plan to reach your goals. Avoid debt. Debt can be a major financial burden. If you can, try to avoid taking on debt. If you do have debt, make a plan to pay it off as quickly as possible. Invest for the future. Investing is a great way to grow your money over time. There are many different ways to invest. You can invest in stocks, bonds, mutual funds, or ETFs. Make wise financial decisions. When you make financial decisions, it is important to consider your long-term goals. Don't make decisions based on emotions or impulses. Get help if you need it. If you are struggling with your finances, don't be afraid to get help. There are many resources available to help you, including financial advisors, credit counselors, and government agencies. Financial literacy is an important life skill. By following these tips, you can improve your financial literacy and take control of your financial future. Here are some additional tips for improving your financial literacy. Talk to your parents, guardians, or other trusted adults about money. They can share their experiences and advice with you. Pay attention to your spending. Keep track of where your money is going each month. This will help you identify areas where you can cut back. Set realistic financial goals. Don't try to do too much too soon. Start with small goals and work your way up to larger ones. Don't be afraid to ask for help. There are many resources available to help you improve your financial literacy. Don't be afraid to use them. The above illustration could help you to plan your budget and finance and resources for your research. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and like it for making other people find it too. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.